most annoying sound in the world?
Suck on my lollipop, baby.